Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to hide cables behind electronics. Open your image and zoom into the cable areas. Select the clone stamp tool with medium hardness. Sample clean background near the cable. Paint slowly to cover the cable and match background patterns carefully. And also adjust opacity to blend surface. Fix shadows left from cable. Resemble often for perfect tones. Zoom out to check alignment and also correct repeated marks. Add textures for realism, blend edges smoothly, make the area look untouched and the cable is completely hidden.